Let's start and practice these words ending with L's. Here we go. Will, ball, tall, call, small, control, bowl, apple, miracle, powerful, control, financial, people. Notice in this last word, people, it's not pronounced people with your tongue not moving. It's people with your tongue slowly moving up and your jaw remaining down. Stretch out that L sound. People, like that. Here are some sentences that have many L's in them. Listen careful to my example and then repeat. Don't forget to push your tongue behind your upper teeth and to use strong L sounds. Here we go. The lollipop fell into the cool water. Her driver's license was pulled out of the blue golf bag. Blake's bowling ball fell under his tools. Carl could not locate the lemons or the limes. The school was a mile away from the hill. The golf club was made of steel. Al's goal was to play baseball with Carol. A certified letter was delivered for the enrollment list. It was revealing to look at the smiling lawyer. Very good.